What makes the Coca-Cola brand so uniquely special? Let's find out. Longevity. Coca-Cola, founded in 1986, has a rich history. Consistency. The timeless red and white colors, script logo, and iconic bottle. Universal appeal. Coca-Cola's global popularity and themes of happiness and unity.
Marketing excellence. Unforgettable advertising campaigns like Share a Coke.
Brand personality. An emotional connection with happiness and togetherness. Iconic packaging. The unique and recognizable contour bottle design. Global presence. Operating in nearly every country, a truly global brand. Corporate responsibility. Commitment to corporate responsibility and sustainability. Versatility. Adaptability with product extensions and flavors. That's what makes Coca-Cola truly unique. Share your Coca-Cola moment with us today. Stay tuned for more branding guides.